Hey, Todd Jones with Rodeo Realty here, and I want to take you on a showing of our new listing at 5235 Newcastle in Encino, Unit 342. It's a wonderful 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit in a great complex with a lot of amenities. You can see the kitchen here is open to the living area. We have a cute dining area here, lots of storage. And then you'll notice that there are vaulted ceilings with a lot of light that comes in. This is a little bar area. You can really set this up however you want. I think what a lot of people do is they put their entertainment center over here and float a couch. And then out here we've got a wonderful balcony with the bamboo set up for privacy. If you don't want that here, I'll just peek over for you so you can see. You can take the bamboo down, but it is kind of cool. And this is a wonderful bonus. You have some storage. It's full of some stuff, which is fine, but it gives you an idea of what you can store. You can put a lot more in here because they already put shelves in. By the way, this is a 360 camera, so you can look up, down, turn around, go whichever way you want. So we have 2-bedroom configuration. So on title it shows as a 1-bedroom, but this is clearly a 2nd bedroom. You could put a regular door in here if you want, or leave it this way if you just want it as an office, or even a bedroom. You could still keep it like this. It does have a closet. And it even has extra storage right here, right? Still a few items left in there. New flooring, by the way, throughout. More storage here. Here's the bathroom, so you can enter from here or from the primary bedroom, which is great. And we'll head in here to the primary. It's a very nice size. This could be a cute place to put a little desk, or a piece of furniture if you want an armoire with extra room. And then, again, back into the bathroom.